Oh, what up guys? Alright, in today's little video, ooh, what is that over there? Headliner. So we're going to be doing the headliner on the Civic today. And I'm at least going to, I don't have much sunlight, so I'm probably going to at least start the disassembly, get the headliner out of the car. If I'm up for it, I'm going to start it. If not, I'm going to do it the next day, but it'll be the same video for you guys, so it'll be the same. So it'll actually just be like boom, boom, and then I'm on to the next day. But anyways, so, sorry, I had a Red Bull. And got some like, I don't know, I'd say, like a leather, I guess. I don't know. I went to Julian Fabrics. Their leather was weird. It was like 80s girl mom jeans. I don't know. Whereas this is like, it actually looks like a headliner. Like it looks like a headliner. So I bought 6 foot of it, or 2 yards, because they wanted to go by the yards because she did not want to convert for some reason. I'm going to try and wrap maybe the door sides and the center console also, and a couple other parts. Maybe if it goes well, I'm gonna have some fun with this. I'm gonna experiment. So, enough talking. Let's go out to the garage. All right, let's roll. Alright guys, so here's the headliner. Quick little update. Let me clean out this lens. So pretty much it has a couple wrinkles. We'll go over it right now. It doesn't look terrible, like there's a couple right here, but this is also cut out for the mirror. This one's cut out for the visor. This one's cut out for the other visor, so that will hide all that. The other visor. This smoothed out a lot nicer than what I thought it was going to be. It's pretty uniform. I think it's just like old foam, so that's why you can kind of see like some indents. It'll stay for a little bit. I got my light, but I only got it kind of cut. I didn't want to fully cut it out just in case so it can overlap. The two back clips. I straightened out this wrinkle that you probably will see earlier. I just have to work on these sides a little bit. They have a little wrinkle, but I think once I get this panel over it, I think a lot of it will go away. I'm hoping, because the panel kind of covers about half of it. So up here, it's smoothed out way nicer because I had about the same wrinkles right down there as well. But I'm hoping once it kind of, I don't know, cures, it'll kind of look a lot cleaner. But for my first headliner, I'd say not bad. If I went with a cloth versus this thicker leather material, it would have been a lot easier, and I think I wouldn't even have any of these wrinkles whatsoever. But it's a learning experience, so I figured the next time or my next car, it will come out a lot cleaner. But anyways, I'm gonna start getting this going in because I ordered some clips, but they come in tan, whereas these ones are black, and they're still the square body inside, so I'm thinking these might work. And I got one of these. I ordered the other one at Honda. I don't know if I want to paint it or not. I might, we'll see, but let's throw this bad boy in.